Well, hello everyone. This is Pawan Dasi, and we will be looking at the NFT Marketplace app. This app has been developed end to end by myself. It is powered by Ethereum-based smart contracts on the backend and React on the front end. This app does require MetaMask in order to push transactions to the blockchain, but we will not be using MetaMask in this demo. We will quickly go through the primary features of the app. There are four sections here basically, and in this create new section, we can basically mint an NFT, just putting uh, a name, a description, and selecting an image. Uh, Clicking this create NFT button would show a MetaMask pop-up, and signing the transaction would basically mint the NFT. As simple as that. Uh, Once an NFT has been minted, it would move to the My NFTs section, and quickly going through the NFT here. Uh, on a particular NFT, there are basically two functions that we can perform. We can either send it to somebody, just adding an address of the recipient here and clicking send, and boom, the NFT would be sent to them. What we can do other than that is list this NFT on the marketplace for sale. How this listing works, we will see that later. There is auctioning involved, actually. All these features, they are like all right, but what really makes this particular NFT marketplace different and unique from all the other marketplaces out there is this ability to partialize the NFT. Once an NFT has been partialized by clicking this function and signing the transaction, the NFT's ownership is broken into 100 different parts, and then this particular NFT can be jointly owned by more than one addresses. And what we can really do then is either send the partial ownership of the NFT to somebody, uh, or what we can do is list the partial ownership for sale. Um, we can better understand the partial ownership in the marketplace section. Take this NFT, for example, its ownership is partial, and what we can see here is that it is jointly owned by these two addresses, wherein the first address owns 70% share of this NFT and the second address owns 30% share of this NFT. These are the listings that have been put on for sale by the very two addresses. The first address has put on 20% share of their ownership for sale for the best price of 400, while the second address has put on 25% of their share for sale. Uh, both of these listings, they have received particular bids of increasing amounts, and both of these listers, they have functions in front of them on their dashboard to confirm the sale of this listing, and upon signing a transaction, the listing would be executed, and the particular uh, ownership percentage that has been listed would then be exchanged for the bid value that has been put on by the bidder, and the listing would basically execute. Um, this was a partial NFT. What we have are fully owned NFTs as well. Take this NFT, for example. This NFT is fully owned by this account, and it is being put on for sale as well, and has received this particular bid. And actually, this address is the very address uh, that I am signed in with MetaMask in this app. And so what I can see here on the dashboard in front of me is this function to confirm the sale. And if I sign this transaction, this particular sale would execute, and basically the NFT would be transferred from me to this bidder, and this particular value of 40 would be transferred to me. Now, what you might be thinking is, what is this 40 really? Well, these are the bit tokens, the fourth section here. And you can think of the bit tokens as the native currency of this app. You can, in this section, basically exchange bit tokens for ETH, and also uh, vice versa. Well, this was a very short intro of this NFT marketplace app. I would highly encourage you to go through this app. And as I said earlier, you will need MetaMask in order to push transactions to the blockchain. But in order to just explore the app, you don't really need the extension. So I will put the link to this app along with its repository below this video in the description. You can learn more about me at www.pawanudasi.tech, and I'll be happy to have your views in this contact me section. Ta-da.